And this was a real big week for both healthcare workers and nursing homes when it comes to the COVID-19 vaccine. But what's next?
There are many groups clamoring to be next in line. 10 TV's Brittany Bailey takes a look at one group making that plea.
Working in a prison, number one, is dangerous to start with, but compounded with a virus such as COVID-19, it has become deadly for so many of our members and so many of the people incarcerated within.
Christopher Mabe is speaking from firsthand experience. His wife, who works for the Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Correction, was infected with COVID-19 back in March, and the whole family got it.
All of our people are not locked up inside the prison system with inmates. They're coming back to their communities, back to their families, increasing spread. And the large-scale spread we've had, amongst incarcerated felons within the system, you have to have some availability to control and protect those individuals too, because it does contribute to the people working there coming back home, going out to the communities, and furthering spread.
We know our state prisons have been hot spots for COVID-19. So far, 8 staff members have died and more than 100 inmates have died. Thousands more have tested positive for COVID-19, including the prison's director. That's why Mabe, the president of the Ohio Civil Service Employees Association, wants prison workers to be next in line for that vaccine.
Just giving frontline staff the opportunity to take a vaccine and not having that opportunity available for people that will be released to the streets. I mean, we're not freezing sentences. We're not keeping people there until COVID is over. We have to realize that everyone, to an extent, will have some opportunity to go home.
So far, we're hearing no comment from the governor's office on who's next in line for the vaccine because that guidance is still in the works.
I've been working for the Department of Corrections for 30 years myself. Have never seen the environment that we're dealing in as it's being played out day by day with our members. We keep all of our members in prayer and hope for their safety. And our hearts go out to their families and friends.
Brittany Bailey, 10 TV News.
We also received a statement from the Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Correction. It says in part, quote, a vaccination plan is being developed by the state, and right now the focus is on phase 1A. Director Chambers Smith and other leadership from the agency are a part of discussions with state leaders about vaccines as it relates to the DRC staff and incarcerated population.